Hey guys, and welcome to a brand new video on the channel where we today are going to look at my top 3 altcoins on the Cardano network. So I'm going to show you my top 3 altcoin picks on the Cardano blockchain, as well as talk about why I'm so bullish on each one of these. So obviously we're so close to smart contracts on Cardano right now, so I just had to make this video. Charles Hoskinson actually recently said that they are expecting smart contracts to be live on the network by August 31st, which is in less than a month right now. This is basically what we've been waiting for this entire bull run, so definitely super exciting. Now, if you enjoyed the content, as always, smash that like and subscribe down below. And if there's any other altcoins on the Cardano network you want me to cover and you feel like has big potential as well, definitely drop them down in the comment section and I will check them out. Now, the first project we're gonna look at right now is Akam Finance. And as you can see, Akam Finance is a suite of DeFi solutions tailored for Cardano, designed to deliver market-leading launchpad capabilities, DEX tools, and liquidity pools. Akam Finance is the first and most significant addition to Cardano's rapidly expanding DeFi landscape. So essentially, it's a Cardano launchpad, which I think will be really important, especially the first couple of months after smart contracts goes live on the Cardano network. Because all of these launchpads will get a lot of demand when all of these new projects start building on the network. They will need launchpads, and I do think that will really help the price of these launchpads like Akam Finance. And the reason I'm more bullish on Akam Finance than the other launchpads is because the C Fund recently invested into Akam Finance. If you don't know what the C Fund is, basically, the C Fund is an early-stage investment fund focused on innovative companies primarily utilizing the Cardano blockchain and its technology. So the C Fund is a partnership between Wave Financial and the Cardano team, and they only have 3 investments so far, which says a lot. They have Koti, which I have actually made a video on previously. It's a payment solution on Cardano. They have actually partnered with Cardano on Ada Pay, which is super exciting. Definitely check out that video. As well as they are invested into BlackSwap Network. The C Fund's most recent investment in this space is Akam Finance, a suite of DeFi solution tailored for Cardano. And just the fact that Cardano themselves, via this C Fund, actually invested into Akam Finance just tells me that they might actually be focusing a lot on Akam Finance over the other launchpads, and that's why I'm so bullish on Akam. Now, if we look at the current price, Akam Finance is at $6.69. The all-time high was actually approximately $17, so they are down a lot. Obviously, it's because the entire market right now is down a lot, but that just gives this project a whole lot more upside, in my opinion. So I think Akam Finance is just going to crush it for the rest of the year after smart contracts launch, because as I said, launchpads are going to get a lot of demand after smart contracts launch. Now, if you want to buy Akam Finance right now, you have to go to Uniswap. And I forgot to say this, but I'm actually invested into all these 3 projects that I'm going to talk about. So I do put my money where my mouth is. Now, the second coin we're going to talk about in this video is called Charlie. And Charlie is a decentralized Oracle project on Cardano. And as you know, oracles are super important for any blockchain. If you don't know what an Oracle project is, basically they bring information in real life that's not on the blockchain and they bring it onto the blockchain. And this is really, really important for any smart contract. I mean, this information can be weather information, it can be stock market information, it can basically be anything that a smart contract needs. So basically, it's the same as Chainlink for the Ethereum network. And obviously, every blockchain needs an Oracle project, so it's just basically about choosing which one is going to be the most popular. Right now, Charlie is sitting at $1.48, which is a decrease as well from the all-time high, which is at approximately $3, I believe. I can't even see it on this chart, but it has been up to like $3.2. And I do think right now could be a great entry point for Charlie as well. And just as with Akam Finance, I do think Charlie has a lot of potential during the next year. Because once smart contracts launch on Cardano within the next month, obviously these Oracle projects are also going to gain a lot more demand, which is super, super important. And I do think that will drive the price up as well. Now, the third and last project we're going to talk about today is Cardstarter. This is another launchpad just like Akam Finance. Akam Finance and Cardstarter are definitely the 2 biggest launchpads on Cardano right now. And I do think both of them will get pretty big once smart contracts launch. So that's why I'm invested into both of them. It says the first insured project accelerator for Cardano. So right now, I believe all these 3 projects are on the Ethereum network. That's why you have to buy it on Uniswap. But as soon as smart contracts launch on Cardano, these projects will obviously be moving over to the Cardano network. And the card starter price right now is sitting at $16.19, and the all-time high was actually all the way up at approximately $80, so it is down a lot since the all-time high, but as well as the other ones, this is obviously because of the big market crash that happened a couple of months ago, as you can see right here. But I do think card starter also has a lot of upside during 2021, and right now could be a great entry point for card starter as well. So there you go, those were my top 3 Cardano project. If you have any other favorites on the Cardano network, definitely tell me down in the comment section. Obviously, most of my portfolio is in the Cardano ADA token itself, but I also want to invest into these smaller altcoins on the Cardano network because I do think the entire Cardano ecosystem will have massive gains during the next year. So that's why I'm investing into these type of coins and why I'm sharing this video with you guys. So if you enjoyed it, as always, smash that like and subscribe down below, and I will see you guys later. Peace.